Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Rockville W15K6D2 V215-inch subwoofers package. This thing is a powerhouse, boasting a peak power handling of 4,000 watts and a program power handling of 2,000 watts. But let's not get lost in the numbers, let's talk about the performance. These subs deliver punchy, deep bass that fills the car with rich, immersive sound. The 3-inch 4-layer black aluminum voice coils wound with OFC wire ensure high-quality audio reproduction, and the double-stacked 112-ounce magnet provides ample power handling capability. One thing I love about this package is the attention to detail. The cast aluminum basket with black sanded finish not only looks sleek but also contributes to the sub's efficiency. The thick foam surround minimizes distortion, giving you clean, distortion-free bass even at high volumes. And let's not forget the custom rubber boot magnet covers. Not only do they protect the magnet, but they also add a nice touch to the overall aesthetics. Installation is a breeze with the included sealed enclosure box and amp kit. The enclosure is constructed from 3/4-inch MDF for durability and is perfectly sized to optimize the performance of the subs. And with the Rockville DB16 8000w mono amplifier included in the package, you have everything you need to power up these beasts. In terms of specs, these subs impress with a frequency response of 27 Hz 1.5 kHz and a sensitivity of 85 dB. Whether you're into hip-hop, rock, or electronic music, these subs deliver the low-end punch you crave. Overall, the Rockville W15K6D2 V215-inch subwoofers package is a fantastic value for anyone looking to upgrade their car audio system. With its powerful performance, attention to detail, and easy installation, it's a no-brainer for any car audio enthusiast. So if you're ready to take your car audio to the next level, definitely give these subs a try. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.